Market's surging today. Time to be happy, right? But why did it explode? Because China and the US came to some agreements on tariffs. Now, as much as this sounds like great news, we're still missing the big picture, and I've been talking about this since January. Here's the truth. Something is fundamentally and economically wrong in this country. The tariffs, they've just been a distraction, a headline to send the market whipsawing, but they didn't fix anything underneath. The real thing you should be watching, like I said before, is that 10-year Treasury yield, and it's skyrocketing today. You cannot have growth when interest rates are climbing at the pace that they're doing. And based on the action I've seen pre-market, we're looking well over 7% this morning. So just wait till it opens. We'll see. And that's going to put more pressure on housing. So here's the other thing to really watch. And that's the charting of this 10-year Treasury. On a longer term scale, rates look like they want to go up. We look at this weekly chart here. And even if we don't have the reason yet, visually, chart-wise, doesn't look right. And that's often the earliest clue. But the scary part is the fakeouts. So when the 10-year fakes a breakdown or a breakout, you'll get this reversal that's even stronger than the original move. So like this, it breaks down. Everyone says, finally, rates are dropping. We're all in consensus about this. It's a good thing. Then it turns around, rockets higher, and catches everybody off guard. Happened in September, just happened a few weeks ago. We've seen this twice in the past year. And every time consensus gets completely wiped out. When everyone's pointing one way, the market usually likes to go the other. That's just markets in general. So, yeah, we've got a big week ahead. I'm going to break it up into different parts, but the 10-year Treasury and why right now it's still the leading indicator and what you need to be worried about. What's happening with the stock market and Bitcoin, which completely reversed, and unemployment, the secret one that no one's looking at, because that's about to start ticking up and what that means for everything else. So, and then the other thing that's been bugging me is just there is so much money out there and nowhere good to put it real estate investing wise on an investment standpoint. So I feel like it's all getting dumped back into this market again and again, even when fundamentally it might not be the best move. That's not sustainable. And eventually the market's going to remind us of that. So stay tuned for this week. We're going to have a ton of parts as I break down everything from, A to Z, and we'll go through it together and kind of ride this roller coaster together.